Welcome back to samaartmedia. I am Melsiha. I hope that all are doing good. I am using black canvas for today's painting. The first step, I am using white pencil to make an outline of picture what I am going to paint. After finishing the outline of the picture, I am going to make candle flame. Because of that, I am picking some titanium white and lemon yellow to make the candle and frame first, and next I am making single branch and leaves. So I am choosing round brush size 4 and picking some brown to dry a branch. Next, to make a realistic look, so I am picking some brown and little bit of titanium white and mix well together to make for realistic look. I am using with my brush always sufficient of water, just to remove the excess of water with tissue or towel always. I am making flower pot hanging on the branch with chain. I am using the same color as it is what I am using the branch and the wooden top too. Making the closed and open curve like this inside the entire flower pot. I am using round brush size 4 for making leaves. I am using emerald green for the first layer of the leaves. Next, for the highlight, I am using light green to the next layer of the leaves. The bunch of flowers in the pot, so I leave the branch with plain leaves. last step is making flowers. I am choosing the brushes, round brush size 2 and 4, using acrylic colors are pinks and titanium white for the flowers. I am adding little more titanium white to the pot facing towards the candle because of the reflection of the candle light effect. The beautiful painting is ready. Bring out your hidden treasure of imaginations in you as painting. Use your imaginations, achieve the picture what you want. I meet you in my next painting. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.